What is going on, friends and family of the YouTubes? How you all doing today? Now, on today's video, thanks to one of my viewers, they gave me a topic to talk about. The first generation Chevy Avalanche 2500 specs. What's it about? Let's get into it now. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ryan. For those of you who don't know who I am, I do a lot of videos on the Chevy Avalanche, as well as custom DIY videos and repairs on your vehicles. So if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. We are very happy to have you. And also, do your boy a favor, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, because that helps boost the channel into the algorithm. And on top of that, it helps me be able to do more projects for you guys and fund the channel. So let's get right into this video. So anyway, all this information came from autoblog.com. I will put it in the description below so you can actually go out there and do your research and see what you like. But here's what I got. First generation 2500 8.1 engine. I believe it came out in 2002. This is the 2003 model, so I think there was some revisions here. But the tow rating, the maximum towing of this truck is 11,900 pounds. The payload capacity is 1958, so 1,958 pounds. And if you notice while I'm looking down, I'm reading my notes because I can't remember all this in my head. Horsepower is 320 horsepower and a whopping 440 pound-feet of torque. It also holds a 37-gallon fuel tank. Its total weight is 8,600 pounds. Why does my neck hurt here, guys? Talking too much. Four-wheel drive was additional, and it was meant to compete with the diesel. Back in 2003, this cost $37,050. I think that's just the starting price. Obviously, if you added any other features, taxes, whatever that is, it goes up from there. So, plus, even up to now, it still ranges from 7 to 20K. I've only found one for 7,000. The rest of them are like 15,000, 13,000, 20,000, 25,000. I'm like, what the heck? I might as well just buy a brand new truck at that point or down pay for something new. But then again, we don't have many Avalanches out there anymore, or they're not even making them right now. As of right now, I think we are getting close to bringing them back eventually. So let's see. It also came with a 4-speed automatic with overdrive transmission. It was longer than a Suburban, combined with the comfort of a Tahoe and the long bed of a Silverado. And guys, what they mean by the long bed of the Silverado, by the way, for this puff that you see on my chest, it's actually my microphone. But anyway, for the long bed of the Silverado, what they're actually talking about and referring to is when you put the midgate down, it automatically becomes like an 8-foot bed. Or a 10-foot bed. I think it's a 10-foot bed it actually becomes when the midgate's down. Because I have been able to fit 10-foot piece of lumber and close my midgate properly. I'm even able to fit 12 feet. You just have to like touch it up on the dash, and that's okay. Well, at least for me, just put a little protectant on it and lay down your lumber or whatever you have to, and the midgate closes 100% completely. I've even brought things that were 16 feet long. Put it up to the dash and you have a couple feet left over, 4 feet or 3.5 or something like that feet left over if you angle it and push it towards the passenger side. So everything works, guys. I love that truck to death. I never had a 2500. I know it's just a bit more powerful than the 5.3 because this one has the 8.1. And that's all I got for you all today. Man, I made like 3 videos so far and my throat is hurting because I think I talk too much. So, with that being said, we're going to cut this one really quick right here. Guys, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Leave me more comments of topics that you guys want to hear about. Video ideas, I got y'all. Supercharger video, definitely want to get that coming. I got to save up a little bit from the channel. Whatever the channel brings in is what I save and reinvest back into the channel. Either in equipment or video idea topics such as stuff for the Chevy Avalanche, like the supercharger or the wide body kit that's coming out soon or will still being in the works. The lights that I bought for the running board, all that came from this channel and just got thrown right back into the channel. And these videos are for you guys, so I hope you all enjoy them and like them. And that's enough of me rambling, so I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace!